Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 6 best survey tools for small businesses, and this will be an honest comparison because if you run a small business and you are not using the surveys, you are basically flying blind. Now you don't fully know what your customers actually want and why they stop buying or what would make them spend more. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end because I will count down from number 6 to number 1 and explain which tool is best depending on the stage of your business. So if you want to try any of these tools, you can just check out the link of these in the description. I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, before we jump into the list, here are the main things that I am going to be focusing on. First of all, the tools that I'm about to show you should be easy to use, even if you are not technical in it. Second thing is that it should support logic and smart questions and not just the basic forms. The third thing that I'm going to keep in mind is that it should look good on mobile because most of the people take surveys on their phone. Fourth thing is that it should help with the lead generation and not just collecting the opinions. Finally, it should have a real free plan, not only a 7-day trial. So without further delay, let's begin. So number 6 in the list, we have Google Forms. Now Google Forms is one of the simplest survey tools out there. If you just want something quick, free and reliable, Google Forms get the job done. This particular Google form is best for very small businesses that has basic customer feedback need and that has the internal staff surveys and that want quick satisfaction check. Now, you must be wondering that why it is good. Number one thing is that it is absolutely free. You can share it with a link instantly and responses go straight into your Google Sheets. That makes it easy to organize the results. Now, these are some of the pros, but here are some of the cons too that you need to understand. As you can see, the design and the branding of Google Form are very basic and you will get very less interactive as compared to other tools that I'm about to show you in this video. The logic and the customizations are also limited as compared to the paid tools out there. So in my opinion, Google Forms is perfect when you are just testing the idea of the surveys. Now, number 5 in the list is SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is one of the oldest and most trusted survey platforms. It is not the fanciest tool on this list, but it is extremely solid for the professional surveys. Now, this particular tool is best for the small businesses that want serious surveys. It is good for research style feedback and for more formal surveys with clean data. Here are some of the features of this tool that I would like to highlight. That it is going to give you the huge library of the templates. It will give you strong reporting and analytics tool. You will get good segmentation and filtering features as well. So it is great for professional use. It will give you strong analytics, which is also a plus. And all in all, this particular platform is very much trusted. So these are some of the good things about this tool. Here are some of the cons that I would like to mention. Like surveys can feel corporate and boring. Its design customizable is also not the best. Most of its useful features are also locked behind the paid plans. So the free plan exists here. You can check that out by clicking on this pricing option. But real business use usually pushes you to paid one. Now, number 4th in the list, we have involve.me. Now, this tool is different among all. It is not just surveys, it is more like interactive funnels, quizzes, multi-step forms that can collect the feedback and generate the leads. Now, this particular tool is best for the businesses that want surveys and marketing together. For product recommendation quizzes, it is perfect. It is good for the onboarding forms, post-purchase funnels as well. So some of the standout features of Involve Me are multi-step interactive survey builder, logic jumps, scoring, personalization results are also added here. You can embed as pop-up landing pages and widgets. You will get AI builder that is going to help you create the surveys faster. So as you can see from the interface itself, it is going to feel modern and high converting as compared to the previous two tools that we have discussed. It is also perfect for the lead generation and the feedback. It is good for the strong logic and the customization as well. Now, it also has some of the cons that I would like to mention. Like, at first, it can feel overwhelming. It is not the simplest tool if you only want the basic service. The pricing can also jump as you scale. So here, if we click on the option of pricing, you will notice that the free plan is not currently available, but you can register for free, and more features are going to come with a paid one. Now, number third in the list is JotForm. Now, JotForm is a drag and drop form and survey builder with a massive template library. It's not only surveys, it can handle many business tasks as well. So, this particular tool is best for businesses that need more than surveys, order forms, contact forms, registrations, internal company forms, etc. So it is very flexible. The templates save tons of time, and it is good for the admin and the business workflows, which are great things in my opinion. So if I talk about the cons, the design can look generic unless you customize. Some of the features also feel form heavy for the pure surveys. They also going to give you a free plan, but their paid plan also exists, and you will have to pay more as your business grows. Now, the number two in the list we have is Survey Sparrow. So this particular tool is popular because it makes surveys feel like a chat conversation instead of a long boring form. So it is best for the customer experience surveys, NPS surveys, mobile friendly feedback forms, and friendly brand tone surveys. So here, as you can see, when I came on Survey Sparrow, this chart type of pop-up opened. So on this particular platform itself, you will get chat style surveys, strong templates, multi-channel sharing, and it is also good for the customer support workflows. So it is going to give you very high competition rate design. It looks great on mobile. It feels modern and interactive as well. So if I talk about the cons, the customization can take some time. The advanced automations often paid. Some of the businesses may prefer the traditional reports, and they also have the free plan, but paid plans scale up quickly as well. Now, number one in the list is Typeform. So Typeform is known for one thing: beautiful, smooth surveys that people actually enjoy filling out. It is best for the premium lead generation form, customer feedback surveys, onboarding forms, market research that needs high competition. Now, one question at a time, layout keeps the people engaged, strong logic and the personalization, branding looks premium. It also integrates with tools like HubSpot, Slack, Notion, Zapier, and more. So this is the reason this is number one tool in surveys and in our list too. So if I talk about the pros, as you can see for yourself, it is going to give you the best looking surveys amongst all. The high conversion and the completion rate is also a plus point. The strong integrations and the logics are also a plus point. So if I talk about the cons, you will get a free plan, but it comes with limitations. It can get expensive as you scale, and it is not ideal if you want a spreadsheet style survey system. So these are the 6 best survey tools for small businesses in 2026. Now, if you have found this video helpful, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.